Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and this is
Sabrina.
And how old are you?
6.
Yeah, and today we are making a kindergarten farewell cake. Because where are you going after kindergarten?
School.
Yeah, you excited to start school?
Yeah.
Yeah? So in Germany, if you don't know, aren't familiar with German customs, the children go to kindergarten 3 to 4 years, from age 3 to age 6. At which time they start first grade, and they just call it starting school. Yeah? And it's a very exciting transition. Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Yeah. You're gonna be a big girl, huh? So we made a farewell cake for their kindergarten graduation. So, are we ready?
Be ready.
Yeah? Well, let's get started.
Let's start.
Okay.
I stick the cake down with a bit of buttercream. This is homemade funfetti cake and vanilla American buttercream. I fill the cake with buttercream. And throw in some sprinkles for good measure. Then I crumb coat the cake. Then I added some more buttercream to cover the rest of the cake. If you like what we do here, consider subscribing for a new cake every week. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Then I pipe some simple stars at the bottom of the cake with a large open star tip. Then I cut out the alphabet out of rainbow fondant. I wrote the alphabet out and cut out every 6th letter out of each color, beginning with red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, and then purple. And yes, I cut out 2 O's on purpose. Then I spelled out the word goodbye on the cake first. The buttercream had already crusted, so the letters had a hard time sticking. I stuck them down with edible glue. Then I put the rest of the letters in random places around the cake. It makes the goodbye a little subtle. But Sabrina and I both agreed that it was missing something. So I pressed more sprinkles onto the cake. Who doesn't love sprinkles? I even painted some edible glue to help them stick. Then I brushed off the excess sprinkles onto a cake pan. I think this cake is perfectly appropriate for a kindergarten farewell party. Rainbow colors and alphabets and sprinkles. What 6-year-old can resist? For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website, AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Tag me if you make any of my cake designs. I'd love to see your work. And don't forget to subscribe.